In the world of creative expression, scrap metal art stands out as a fascinating and innovative care where discarded fragments of machinery and everyday objects are transformed into captivating masterpieces. This captivating art form showcases the dignity of artists who harness your vision and skill to breathe new life into seeming unless material form draw culture and dominate city landscapes to indicate figures that fit in the plane of a hand. Scrap metal art encompasses a diverse range of style and scale. In this exploration of scrap metal art, we will delve into its origin, the artistic technique evolved, the environmental impact it carries, in a profound way, it repurposed the modern into the extraordinary. Either you are scenes art enthusiast or a visual appraiser of creativity, the world of scrap metal art invites you to embark on journey through a reclaim where innovation now no bounds. With convents and unconventional or rusted metal pieces, artisans embark on journey of innovation and resourcefulness, breathing life into forgotten fragment, each jarring of hammer, each fusion of metal components, a symphony of creativity where major object metaphrases into culture that amuse, inspire, and provoke through exploring the realm of scrap metal art unveils a realm where innovation meets sustainability. This art form champion and those of recycling and upcycling, elevating discarded metal into inspiring masterpieces. The artisan's keen eye envision the latent potential within these forgotten fragments. A twist bicycle chain become a majestic lineman while industrial scrap finds new purposes in intricate mosaic-like pattern. The process itself in an industrial scrap finds new purposes or to transformation, highlighting how even most neglected materials can be reborn with artisans. Every piece of scrap metal art material unique tale where the artist's creativity journey inert veins with history of materials used and all French might carry the legacy of the skid mechanism while a rusted sand fragment body hark back to bygone era. This vision of narrative, the artisans and the material foster to profound connection between the artwork and its audience. The artisans and the materials as these pieces find their homes in galleries, gardens and public space, they bring with them not just artistic glow but also tangible link to the past, sparking conversion and ignite The sculpture process itself are inventing dance of profession and imperfection, welding techniques and angle bender a welder would finds shaping the metal into intricate forms that defy their origin. The artisans must possess a deep understanding metalworking techniques, all while pushing the boundaries conventional craftsmanship. In this delicate balance between technical skill and understanding creativity that scrap metal art find distinct charm. The lure of crafting of from discarded material extends beyond the individual pieces. It resonates with the collective need for environmental consciousness in the world bounded by waste and consumption. Scrap metal stand as a testament to potential of suitable creation. It urges to reconsider our disposable culture to see not just refuse but also resource being with artisans' permission as admirer and creator of this art form and become part of movement that champion reverse material and the reduction of our ecological footprint. Perhaps the most enchanting quality of scrap metal art lie its ability to evoke emotion and stimulate contempt. A drawing sculpture assembles from discarded car parts might evoke reflection on urbanization, while a delicate assemble of silverware fragments could spark musing about domesticity, juxtaposition of the ordinary and extraordinary in this artwork. Back layer of interruption, resting a deeper with the piece of creator. Thank you so much for watching this video.